This is Science Painter, and in this lesson you will learn 7 shortcuts for entering data in Excel. Data entry into a spreadsheet is a very manual process and is still predominantly carried out using a keyboard. It therefore makes sense that if this task is to be completed in an efficient and effective manner, familiarity with the various methods or keyboard shortcuts to facilitate this process would be beneficial. To edit the current cell, you can use F2. To begin a new line within the existing cell, press Alt-Enter together. In cell editing mode, these keys enter a new line into a cell. Control semicolon enter the current date. It depends on your computer date and time. Also, press Ctrl Shift semicolon to enter the current time. Using Ctrl Enter, you can fill the selected cells with the contents of the current cell. Click on any cell within selection and press F2 to edit it. Then hit Ctrl Enter and the contents of the edited cell will be copied into all selected cells. To copy the contents and format of the first cell in the selected range into the cells below, you can use Ctrl D. If more than one column is selected, the contents of the topmost cell in each column will be copied downwards. As you can see, all cells were filled by time. Finally, Ctrl Y, repeat the last action if possible. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.